everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I hope everybody is staying cool. It has been one hot week, you guys, but not only just in the weather, but what about those Coach sales, you guys? I am here to share with you guys what I have selected and what I've actually purchased. I also have some additional items coming, and I'll come and share those with you. But I did want to share with you what I purchased. If you have purchased anything from the recent Coach sale, please share within the comment section and let me know what you got, or if you plan on getting anything from your wish list. They have some amazing sales up to 40%, and they're currently on their first phase of this sale. Also, you guys, don't sleep on Amazon. Amazon is also having sales on Coach items as well. And I did want to share with you guys as well in this video Amazon Coach item that I purchased. So this is kind of a split of Coach retail as well as Amazon. So without further ado, I am going to go ahead and jump into the items that I've selected. But you guys know, before I do so, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and share and like and subscribe on my channel. It doesn't cost a thing, you guys. It just helps my channel and allows me to come and share with you guys. And for everyone who has already been here and continues to watch and support my channel, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you all. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this box. Like I said, this is from the retail. I have already taken the bow off. This is not a factory wrap bag. This was the last bag that they had in the store. So want to go ahead and share that with you guys. Let me go ahead and open it like so. Go ahead and get the item out. Okay. And if you think you know what I got, go ahead and put in the comment section and let me know what you think that I might have purchased within this sale, or you think I might plan on getting. So it's in the Coach dust bag like so, you guys. And I'm going to go ahead and open her up. You guys, what I got is this beauty. I got the size 33 Quilted Tabby in the black and gold hardware. This is my first Coach Quilted Tabby in this size, you guys. Oh my gosh, I could not believe that she was on sale, you guys. I was shocked. And I believe this was $435. Don't quote me on that. I believe, as me thinking off the top, I think it was $430 or $435 plus tax. So I was super excited. And the reason why I got this, you guys, is because they are stating that they are going to discontinue this size. And I wanted to ensure that I had this size in my archive. Let me give you a closer look. Like I stated, she is a size 33. She is huge. Okay, you have the beautiful, and I mean, I know most of you guys have, you know, seen this before. It has the beautiful chain you can carry as a top handle, or you can also carry as a crossbody. She's pretty large. It has the back slip pocket here. You guys, huge. My cell phone definitely can fit back there. In the front, you have the signature C in the gold hardware. When I open it up, you have the normal pocket like so, slip pocket inside. Again, cell phone can fit inside that. Another huge pocket, you guys. I mean, huge. You have the normal setup. Now, there is a little difference, and I'm going to share that with you. You have this side here. You have the center like so. That is a zip. And then you have here, you guys, as well. So there's 3 components, but the difference in the size 33 is you have an additional pocket like so that is a button-up pocket. The other sizes 20 and size 26 do not have that additional slip pocket back there, and that actually can fit my cell phone as well. So plenty of space. You guys see that it has the white interior cloth material. You guys, this bag is gorgeous. You have the tag here on the regular Coach tag. Again, you know that it does not have the signature how they normally stamp it on the bottom. But when I tell you, you guys, this bag is huge. It is huge. I'm going to go ahead and stand up and show you how she looks on me, because you guys know I am such a small, short person. I am a 5'1" and happy to be. But again, not too bad, you guys. She is pretty big, but I'm telling you, this is going to be a bag that I'll keep in my archives for sure. Now, I am going to, if you want to see what fits in this bag, let me know and I'll make an additional video on this. But this was my first item. You can't beat this deal. This bag is normally $795. So think about how much I paid, $435. I saved a lot of money in this item. So this is the first item that I purchased. It is in excellent condition, no scratches, no issues. Again, this was my store's last item, and I love my essays because I simply text her and ask her if they had these bags, and she stated that she did, and she would set it to the side. So if you don't have an essay at your store, you guys, you gotta get one. You gotta build that relationship and that rapport with them so that you're able to get the items that you want without having to wait and do the race and trying to figure it out. Build a rapport with the individuals at the store. All right. So again, this is my first item from the retail side. Again, this is the summer sale, you guys. The first round has just started. I am going to go ahead and also bring up the next item. But you know what I forgot to do, you guys? I forgot to share with you what's my bag of the day. Today's bag of the day is this beautiful jade green Rowan. You guys, I have her decorated very beautiful. And to go ahead and, you know, recognize what's coming, I have my Snoopy here, you guys, because we know Snoopy is coming soon and very soon. So I figured I would go ahead and pay homage to the new release that's coming. But I love, you guys know this is my favorite as well, a Rowan. And so this is my bag of the day. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And that Snoopy is from Marshall's. You got, I paid $20 for that if you're not wanting to pay the $95 retail. And also I love that it's blingy. All right. All right. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get into my next item because I don't want to take a long time in the reviews. Okay. So the next item came factory wrapped. And again, like I stated before, this is from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I have. Okay, here is the bag. I've taken it out of the box. And again, this is from Amazon. Whoop is where I got this from. So the Amazon store called Whoop. Here we are. Like I said, it's factory wrapped. Let me go ahead and pull her out. Okay. I got another Quilted Tabby, you guys. Yes, I did. And the reason why I did, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys. This is the Quilted Tabby 26. And this is not my first Quilted Tabby 26, if anyone is interested in the SKU numbers. Okay, and Woot is actually an Amazon store. They run specials and sales on items. Again, Amazon delivers it. So I grabbed this. And let's go ahead and unwrap her. Like I said, it is a size 26 and it is factory wrapped. So don't mind me. It's going to take a little while, as you guys know how they do. All right. So here she is, you guys. Look at this beautiful color. This is in the soft purple. So you guys know I had to get this. We know that the purple is in, but this color is so gorgeous. Look at her, you guys. It's very soft. You guys, we just had the lilac color that just was released, and I'll go ahead and start unraveling her. Now, the difference in this one, again, you have the hardware, gold hardware. This is in the leather. So the C on this one is in the leather. and it is trimmed in silver. So we know that this has the silver, which you guys know I love. And I'm going to go ahead and unpack her really, really quick. Like I said, this is from Amazon, you guys. Completely wrapped, warehouse wrapped, okay? And I got this one for a steal as well, you guys. This bag, when it went on sale, I believe I got this bag for almost $200. Okay? So let me go ahead and compare and share with you guys. And it came with the dust bag. A lot of people ask, does they come with the dust bag? They do. Like I said, it comes just like the store, you guys. But I wanted this color so bad. Now, like I said, my favorite is the regular tabby, but I love the quilted tabby as well. And I figured since it was on sale and it's a beautiful color, let me go ahead and get this one. Now, this is my second size 26, I'm sorry, you guys. Let's see, I don't have my scissors. Here we are. I do have another one and I'll share with you guys. But as you can see, you guys, look at the comparison while I am unraveling. Look at the comparison while I'm unraveling this one. As you can see, like I said, this is a 33. This is a size 26. There is a great difference in this bag. Let me see if I can get this moved quick. You guys, you guys know, if you know, trying to get these chains unwrapped is complicated. And I probably won't be able to do all of them, but I wanted you guys to be able to see because it is taking a lot of time to do. Let me see. Well, let's see if I can get it done. Let's see. You guys, this chain, it's like, I don't know how they wrapped it like that, but it sometimes can be a doozy trying to get it unraveled from this. But you guys, I was super stoked when I seen this color because, you know, they're bringing a lot of the colors back. We know that they just dropped the purple. This is a softer purple. It's called soft purple. But the other one that they just came out with is the iris color. So here you are, if you need to know. Is the ticket. And here is the beautiful soft purple. It is in silver. And again, we just went over the bag. So like I said, the size 26 is definitely, when we go ahead and compare the two, I'm going to set those two and align them in length. And hopefully that is giving you a full visual. When we turn them to the side, you see the height. Let me see if I can pull that back for you guys. There is a great difference in height. Now, let's go ahead and put this one over there. I'm sorry, you guys. Let's look inside this one because I want you guys to see the difference. So again, we have this pocket in the back. It does have the magnet like the size 33 as well. In the front, it's the same when you can wear it as a top handle as well as crossbody. In the inside, you have that pocket here like so with magnet. Okay. The difference in this one is this is not a super, as you can see, the inside. It has the zipper compartment as well in the middle. But remember I said the size 33 has that additional pocket back here. This one does not. So that is the difference in the size 33 and the size 20, size 26. The size 20 and 26 does not have that additional pocket that the size 33 has. Okay? You guys, this bag is gorgeous. Very soft, very delicate, very dainty, you guys. I am super excited to carry her and add her to the collection. I just got this one because, of course, the color is just a rare but springy. You can technically wear this color all year round because it's not such a vibrant purple. It's a soft, so I see this in fall, spring, summer, winter. You guys tell me what you think, but again, I got this one because I felt like, oh my gosh, you guys, it's purple. I could not believe it. But let me go ahead and share with you guys really, really fast like I said, I already have one. Let me show you the only one that I've had all this time, and that I've had, which has made me fall in love with this silhouette. Okay. The one that I already had prior to today, it's this size. Let me put her right there. Same size, size 26. But the difference, you guys, is the silver hardware. You guys know I love silver. So this is my size 26 that I've been carrying. Again, I've had her for almost a year and a half, almost 2 years. And I've worn her. Some people state that they have corner wear. I haven't had any wear on this bag, and I carry her a lot. You have to make sure that you are treating your bags, especially this type of leather. This leather is the Tabby genuine Napa leather, and you see that on the front of the tags. I didn't even check to see if that's listed on the, let me check this one, you guys. It does state that on this one as well. And let me check the size 33. Okay. Size 33 also. So I just missed that. So on the front flap. So with this Napa leather, you have to make sure that you are moisturizing this leather. And that's what I have found that has protected my bags. This bag here, like I said, I love this bag. I love the just soft and delicate. You can dress this bag up or you can dress it down. So now I officially have 3 tabby quilted tabbies. I have the silver and black. I have the soft purple in a size 26, and now I have the size 33, you guys, in the gold. I am super excited, you guys. Let me know if you think these were some great finds. Like I said, these are the 2 that I added to my collection. So without further ado, you guys, that is it. Tell me what you think about this, and tell me what you plan on getting within the sale. I have some other items that I'm super excited about. Not only do we have the summer sale going on, you guys, there was a drop that happened as well. Did you grab anything? And if so, let me know what you grabbed. I did look at it. It has my attention, but also I am super excited for the other ones that's coming from the outlet, as well as the Snoopy Cat collection. So again, you guys, thank you for coming by to share with me. I truly, truly appreciate it. Other than that, you guys, stay safe out here. We have a lot of going on throughout the world currently, you guys, from the weather and just the war and all these different things that we have going on. So make sure you pay attention to your surroundings while you're out doing shopping and with your loved ones, you guys. Please do your best to pay attention to your surroundings and stay safe. Other than that, you guys, without further ado, I appreciate you all, and have a blessed and amazing week. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.